Assalamu alaikum. We are going to make sindi baryani. So we need cooking oil, onion, tomato, and chicken, and baryani masala, which is easily available in market. You can buy that. And we need some salt, some rice, and now we're going to start cooking. We put this onion inside this oil, and we can cook this onion until this color is going to brown. Now onion is going to brownish, so we're going to put some salt, 1 teaspoon salt we put inside onion, and then we put baryani masala inside the salt, inside onion, and this is putting biryani masala there. You can watch that. This is biryani masala. We just put half packet there, and we mix inside this oil. Now we put this chicken inside this onion. Now put this chicken inside there, and when the chicken will be color brown, then put onion. Now our chicken is ready, and now it's time to put this tomato. We're putting this tomato inside our chicken, and we put like that, and we put on a fire until this tomato will be cooked. So then after this we will be, this is our rice which we already half cooked, and now we put this half cooked rice inside our this, and step by step we just putting the rice inside this. This is our rice which we put already there, and then we put some more chicken inside like that. This is a step number 2. This is the way you can put your all rice there, and cook until the rice will be full going to soft, and their color will be also change. Then just we can wait until. Now biryani is ready to cook, and you can see how beautiful color is this. This is our sindi biryani is ready.